Spring is in the air, the days are getting longer, and soon your taxes are going to be due. Don't let tax season ruin the nice weather. I'm going to cover a checklist of items you can do to have a successful tax filing. First, the deadline to file your taxes for tax year 2022 is Monday, April 18th, 2023. So be sure to mark that date on your calendar and start gathering the tax documents you're going to need sooner rather than later. Now, common tax documents that you might have are a W-2 from your employer. You might have a Form K-1 or a 1099-R. And if you own a home, you might have a mortgage interest statement. In addition, you might also have a retirement plan statement. And also be sure to make a list of your charitable contributions if you made any in 2022. Now, these are just a few of the common documents that you might have. Everyone's situation is going to be a little different, but be sure to track down these documents that you're going to need to file taxes. If you do work with a tax professional, be sure to reach out to them early to schedule time to meet with them and make sure you can get your taxes done on time. Next on your list is to take a financial inventory. Tax season is a great time to do this, and you can do this whether you're preparing your taxes or you can do it after you've filed your taxes. A financial inventory consists of first reviewing all of your assets. So this would be bank accounts, investment accounts, retirement accounts, home value, things along this line. Next, review your liabilities. So this would be credit cards, student loans, car loans, mortgages, any other kind of liabilities and debts that you have. So after you've reviewed these, identify what sticks out to you. Have there been any big changes since the last year? Did you take on more debt than expected in 2022? Did your assets increase or decrease over the last year? And are there any areas you would like to make improvements on? This leads us to the final item for you. Make a plan for 2023. Once your inventory is complete, it's a perfect opportunity to make a plan for the coming year. First, forecast your income. Will there be any changes to your income in 2023? Do you need a plan for an increase or perhaps adjust for a reduction in income? Next, review your budget. Do you need to adjust your spending and saving this year? And then finally, track your progress. Stay engaged with your finances throughout the year, not just one time. And check in periodically to see how you're doing and make adjustments accordingly. Remember, tax season is a great time to get your finances in order for the upcoming year. Most personal finance goals are achieved over a relatively long period of time, so stay consistent and keep up the good work. This video has been provided for general educational purposes only. It is not intended to provide specific advice to your personal situation. For tax advice, please contact a qualified tax professional. Cetera representatives do not provide tax services.